Where to find light mode on Xiaomi Redmi Note phones with HyperOS Android 14. Before I continue, please note that the light mode is not available on every Xiaomi phone and most likely not available on some Poco phones. So in order to get there, the fastest way to get into light mode is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen like this here. You'll see this icon here. You'll tap on that one time and you want to go to where it says more right here. Once you enter here, you'll see the home screen settings right there, the very top option. And as you enter here, you will see light mode on the right side. If you don't see light mode here, the other way you can check is by using the quick panel access. Go to settings, then type in the search here, type in the words light mode. You'll type that in right there, light mode. And you should be able to see it from there. Now, once you get it, you'll go into it. And as you select it and you come out of this area here, it will automatically change everything for you into light mode now, which all the icons will be bigger and a simpler view of all your home screen, okay? Now, in order to exit the light mode, you'll go back to the settings. Then you'll see this option right here. It'll tell you it is on. As you go into it, you will see the option to turn it off. And once you do that, you will now exit light mode, like and so.